Gamampire, a very beautiful German Baketa Gundeze, Kataleya Kandle Mwena famous K, and like I told you, like I promised,
famous.
But yeah, it's famous, eh? Yeah. It's famous. Not famous.
Yes, famous.
This is in a note I look at you, my with famous.
Just Armuka Y. Faymous.
Hey, so come as I just don't talk about famous, but famous.
Yes. I don't just.
When I stay out, Yakura abahulikiza kameni we natandikani iwe
mwena mnonga abahulikiza radio west mwena tusemerwa mnonga kuja muti okutu leka tuganira kiganiro kye kyatuleta nasemerwa kuija hana radio west family kututayaisa.
All right. Thank you so much Kataleya Kandle. Lately you are doing a lot of social media presence balaba ku TikTok kuchi and all these other places, but it's good to have you. Good morning. Please say hi to your fans.
Hi to the listeners of Radio West. How are you doing, Masuzemtia? This is Kandle. I sing with my beautiful sister Kataleya. Yeah, and we're so happy to be here.
To the listeners of Radio West, good morning. I'm Kataleya. I sing with Kandle. We're so happy to be here.
Yeah. Now, if you're like me, but confusing, I don't know who is Kandle, who is Kataleya. Lucky for you who is on Facebook, because I think you can know who Kataleya is and who Kandle is. Let's get this started. Famous. Specifically, let's talk about this project, Gundeze. How did this song come about?
Igishongoro kabaza nacyandika kuna cyandikire twashitwaro nesimu twachikozireho nesimu yashaba yajyango iki cyishongo tushikore collab hano kugira ngo already abakana abamanya nanyo already bakabari banywanu banje tutagatangire no gukora project. So yakuyachi proposingire twaba approachinga bachuramu na management yabo ya rap and management bachikunda actually nanyi ngwe ngashemerwa mnonga ko of course ati no abaruho niyo duwereho mu atomu ihanga y'amani. So bachikunda mnonga bachakira so bichiriza twazo mu studio twachi recording.
All right, Kataleya Kandle, I don't know who is going to speak but you know how you do your thing. When you had his project, how excited were you? Because he says you easily jumped on it and you were very excited about it. So tell me, what was the story like?
They sent the song, we listened to it, of course we got excited, we went to studio, we started recording. You know, I keep saying he's a perfectionist, but he is. And he kept, correcting us here and there because he knew exactly what he wanted. It was fun.
And this year, you've had some huge collaborations.
Thank
you. In Kasese and many other places. What is the big picture?
Usually when we're starting the year, we have a plan of what we want throughout the year. So this year specifically, there are collabos. So this year collabos. And that's why you're saying collabos. Yes, that was the plan.
Okay. So would you also like to tell us what's the plan for next year?
What
next year is Logogo.
hasn't ended, but we have things in the pipeline. We have a few things we want to achieve before this year ends, maybe, or early next year. So yeah, just keep around. We shall let you know.
Famous. The Kanguus, Okora and Abeshongozi in the central. Are raising the collaborations as you in Zija? Do you also have a plan like they did? Kujangomako gun was having collaborations. Ninga iwecha one which was slightly different.
No, nanye nine collaborations in Zija nine roadmap. Ebishongore binyine bya singles ibintu na collaborations empango kutandikana neji nenyuma ho actually kanyineho collabo ya Nina Rose ke tarinche na shongere cyo kweto yiwange so nyine ho line up ya man mnonga kuja mu mbempo mwire mukache so hati nyine work nyingi already iri mu catalog erinze to shows.
There's been some kind of revival of music here in Western Uganda.
Yes.
Specifically this year and even last year. We've had successful musical years in Western Uganda. As we talk Regia in a huge concert out Kacheka, and I'd like to pick your mind. Okushanga the industry this side, booming. Even Chukwach Tamani.
mingi muno era nicyo kikunyamba kugira ngo nteekateke n'okugaruka kuno nkato kundi aha kugira ngo nyize nanye ekintu kyangye nkisibire amakanda aho muka aho kuba ndi nzarwa yaha ngaha Rugazi so hano
Rugazi
nyoha hano mukazi wambuze ekiguzi ekyo ndiba nkyanguye munonga kugambira ngo n'ekintu ky'amaani munonga nkimpa omuhimbo gw'amaani munonga
so mwenu kakakosa tubasaba tulinga university ino wajiru
nibyo turimu kugana n'ibishongo byanje hate binkoro bwiro bwinji mbabe muri nyankore no kugira ngo nimbikorora kuri na nece kitwine gundeze nacyo kiri muri nyankore twena ntoshongora ho nyankoro orwe ngabe interesting kugira ngo bagire no nyankoro bateka mu kugira ngo kitongere na nanka ya kuno umuka so it is very good kugira ngo kuno industry iteryo neko.
Just before we go for a break, these beautiful ladies Kataleya and Kandle, I was just posing to him a question how and letting you know that these
we
days
understand
you pick my Uganda may not be good, but as artists, just how important is it when you find that all the regions have really come up musically and they are doing well, and not just Angola and Central, but also in Rwenzori where I've heard you and many. How would that help you and your art?
I think it is. Have you seen people when they go to, let's say, the north and they sing and people are just looking at them?
Yeah.
It's so weird. I think it helps an artist to tap into the market, that market.
Yeah.
I think it is helping us to tap into, when we go to Kasese, people have what to sing. Like they don't just look at you. So I think it's very helpful. Yeah.
Nigana katonyi zibiri radio was your best gawankre time check 26 minutes after 10 in the morning. Kanda wajenyema njeni Kataleya and Kandle hamwenda Faymous K. I hope I got it right this time.
No, that's okay.
Faymous K. Nyenda kweza an opportunity if you have any question.
Not Famous K. Famous.
No K.
Sorry. It is no K. Fame. I don't know why I like to put K. Faymous K. What's your other name?
Brian Masiko.
Brian Masiko.
But famous. Just famous.
Yeah, just
Famous. 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 I think that's because it's because we are singing with these ladies. I always have plan B. Yeah. Famous. Dachikamna mkageza ligumudisha. Let's take a short break. When we come back, nija kweza kadisha. Kwa nenda kujecha buza chwa babuza. You ask plus we are also on Facebook. Put any comments. We'll be sampling a few of them when we come back. Stay with us.